Joey.
Presents.
Joey, do you want to open a present?
Yeah.
Oh, you do? Or what else do you want? Joey, say,
Toys.
you want toys? Joey, did you want...
Joey. Balloons, yeah. Joey.
Charlie, do you want to open presents? Charlie.
Okay, we're gonna get toys.
Char? Oh, do you want to open presents? Yeah.
Okay.
Little quiet soul.
Look in front of you.
Charlie's present. There you go.
Charlie, look in front of you. Charlie.
Charlie, present. And Joey's present. Okay.
Open it,
One,
open it.
2, 3,
Open it,
open
open
it. Here. Open it.
This is something you have to help them with. Remember, Lucy?
I know what that is. Play now. Oh, Joey, open it. Joey, here, there. Open it. They both got Play-Doh.
Yeah.
It's Play-Doh.
Give Grandma your paper, thank you.
It's going to be very salty when you swallow,
Give me
when you
the
taste
paper.
it.
Give me
That
the
doesn't sound
paper.
good.
You
Yeah,
like
it's
that?
yours.
See it?
That's good.
That's something you and Tommy are in charge of to help.
Oh, do you love it, Char?
Aw, she's hugging I'm a unicorn.
What, Tommy?
Okay,
Next
this is
gift.
for you too now. This is for you too.
Hold on, more gifts, more gifts.
Okay, next one.
Here, here.
Here, Charlie.